Veeam Certified Architect. So for today, I want to show you how can we restore the MSSQL from the job without the application aware has been turned on. Okay, so you can see that, right? I have a job is backup the SQL database, but I did not turn on the application aware on this particular job. This is I did not turn on the guest processing. So now the user has been complaining they have a SQL database installed on this particular virtual machine, and we want to restore the SQL database on this virtual machine. Okay, how can we do that? So now let me show you. Okay, so first we require to restore this virtual machine on the Firebase. Okay, so we can see that I did not have a SQL application aware. I cannot restore the Microsoft SQL. Okay, what I need to do is first let us try to bring it up, and this one as a Firebase level. So it was starting to do the file level restorations. Okay, let's close this one first. Good. So this will take a couple of minutes to let the Veeam to mount the restore point. Okay, once the file restore point has been opened, just wait until you launch the Explorer windows. Still haven't finished, so we have take 4 times. Okay, so once you already see the file structure has been coming out, so what you can do is you just require to go to the browse SQL DB test. Okay, so just locate the database file. So if you know the path. Okay, so for this showcase, I have been installed my SQL database on my C program file. So then SQL database. So I have first Microsoft SQL has been installed here. So I have a data file. So this is all my SQL database file. Okay, now I want to restore my DB called test. Okay, so what I need to do is I just require to double click for this one. So it will automatically bring me to the Veeam file Explorer for the Microsoft SQL. So from here, it will automatically identify this is a SQL database and it already mapped for me. And what I need to do is I just right click for this one, then I able to restore the SQL database. Okay, so how can I do? So this is the example. I want to export the database file as a BAK file, so I can go ahead to restore it. Okay, it's already finished export. So from here, we were able to see the file has been successful restored out. Okay, this is one of the method how we want to restore the SQL database, but we did not turn on the application aware on the virtual machine. But the best practice we should follow, turn on the application aware to make sure the database consistency. Okay, so thanks for watching for this video.